What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about HBAR today. Hedera. Hit that like button, you guys. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and let's get into it, my friends. It is the 31st day of July, and here we are with about 3 days, 21 hours left in the week. 21 hours as it stands left in the month. 26.4 cents is the price. Up 3% to start the day. Isn't that nice? Good to see, especially after this little relative double top here. Typically, with a look like this, you would expect to go below this point right here, but you haven't done that. You've actually maintained this kind of higher low, higher high trajectory. So that's kind of an interesting shape there. Could you go lower? Sure. And if you do, it's it's fine. However, I don't anticipate that we will go below this low. But again, if you do go below 23.1 cents HBAR, you're probably fine. Okay, I doubt that you go below 22 cents. Okay, you're at 26.4 cents now, so very, very negligible amounts. Okay, if we're looking at this from a high to a low here, high to low there, going up to the golden ratio, consolidating like this, I mean, man, I would have expected here, especially here, I would expect that you go to the 0.5382 area, but the fact that you're still here, man, you even closed right at the golden ratio, you're having this positive reaction now, it's definitely enticing. It looks like you want to continue to rally. You either do or you don't find resistance at the golden ratio, and if you don't, you're moving up, I mean, typically in a very bullish fashion. You won't even stop at the 786, 886. You just move right on up to 55 cents and beyond, probably. You've got this greater W pattern here forming, right? This Adam and Eve pattern. I can't draw Adam and Eve there. I still can't draw. You've got the Eve here. You've got the Adam there, right? And you're breaking out of it overall. I would anticipate that this move takes you up above where the pattern started, which likely implicates that you would see a 55-cent price before this move is like over, right? But I don't even know if that's fair, because technically, what do I mean by this move? I don't even know, man, because that's not where the move is going to end. This next move is going to end there, short or around there 55 cents to 82 cents. But I think this overall move from a low to a high, just like this from a low to a high, you had this part that stopped here, but you inevitably kept going. I think you'll have a part that stops here, but inevitably you'll keep going. The overall move took you up here. This overall move should take you just below $2. That's my expectation, right? You're at 26 cents now, 26.4 cents now. I would very much anticipate that we go to like $1.75 to $2, somewhere in that range. So a lot of growth to go. But let's look at the short-term stuff, okay? Looking at the 1 hour time frame, RSI is looking great. Bullish, breaking out of its downtrend, had some good bullish momentum building up. You're at an area where you'd expect to find resistance, though, so again, don't get your feelings hurt. If you do, that's okay. If we're looking at this from a high to a low, maybe go up a little bit more, 26.7 cents. You're at 26 cents now. Don't get too excited if you get up to 27 cents, right? Find some resistance there and then probably come back down. Stochastics look like they want to cross but haven't yet, so that's still bullish. MACD, you're in a bullish setup, but you could still find some turbulence here, okay? Don't get too excited. Things are looking promising. I will say, things are definitely looking promising for HBAR down at these levels, but if you were to come back down a little bit, that's okay. And I don't believe that you even go below this low of 24.5 cents, but if you do, it's not a problem. It's okay. But I don't think that that's what's going to happen. I don't think that's what you have in store. 4 hour time frame here, looking at this. That RSI is just perfect, man. We love to see it. That's beautiful. It's a nice like W shape in the RSI as well. Getting overbought, not getting oversold. Stochastics are crossed to the upside. These don't normally stop until you get into the overbought zone, so that's bullish. The MACD crossing below the zero is not ideal, but we'll write it off. We'll give you a pass, because typically whenever you move sideways like this, momentum-based indicators, really indicators as a whole, they don't work as well. So I'm okay with the fact that you've crossed below the zeros. I don't think it's going to mean anything bad. And you're decaying in bearish momentum as you're moving lower, so that's actually a good thing. Looking back at the daily time frame now, lower lows in the RSI here. If today closes green, higher lows in the price. Hidden bullish divergence is what that's called. Stochastics are at an area to bounce, and the MACD, whatever, it looks fine. Good enough. Not bad, not good, but just good enough. I mean, good overall, yes. The weekly MACD is where things get exciting, man. Bouncing off the zero line, it's very bullish. With the oscillators, right, your oscillators here coming down, bouncing off the zero, very, very bullish. Yes, it crossed below the zero, but it's a minor cross. Really, it's bouncing. And I think The blue line is less significant than the orange line. The orange line looks like it's bouncing right off that zero, so that's perfect. Stochastics are overbought. 3 days, 21 hours left in this week. I think it'd be nice to see this week come up and close green because you don't want to reject the overbought zone on the RSI. So come up and close green. You'll look bullish on your RSI, your stochastics, and your MACD if you can do that. If you can come up about 9% by the end of this week, which you got 4 days left to do, I think you've got more than enough time. I mean, if in less than half a week you move down this much, in over half a week, certainly you can move up that much and more. So do that. You'll look good on your weekly time frames. You're ready to go, man. I mean, you look good without any of that. You really do look like you want to see new all-time highs. And again, the expectation, the area that we would expect would be anything from about, I would say $1.21 is a suitable minimum target, like pessimistic target. But I genuinely believe you're going to see $1.75 to $2 somewhere in that price range. Maybe you go above $2, but I don't think that's what's going to happen. I think you'll stop just below there. Hit the like button, you guys. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Thank you all for being here. I'll see you on the next one, okay? Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.